Hello, welcome to another edition of Pick 6 Central. No one able to hit the Pick 6 at Hollywood Park yesterday. $1 million guaranteed Pick 6 for Cal Cup 18.
Guaranteed $1 million here at Del Mar, and they've got themselves a bit of a head start of $223,000 in the carry.
Close to $1.2 million. And Pick 6 begins.
We know why you're here. You're here to make the big money.
Here's a look at how we got there.
You don't have to be a math whiz to figure out you're on average getting more than 10 horses per race during the Pick 6. So you have a lot of quantity and you have that quality as well.
Might be one of those Pick 6s where you start at race 8 and work backwards, I think.
Aha!
Well, I have an aggressive single. I think you have to single in the Pick 6.
This is one of those kind of races. I think there's a number of different horses in here that can be given a big look.
From race number 6, we're going to move on to race number 7, second division of our feature today.
She's a filly with a mare with plenty of speed. She can use it, and she can use that to her advantage down the hill. And here's a look at the Ken Matty.
Let's go check in with Christina Oliveira. She's on the backside this morning, catching up with the connections, and she's caught up with Doug O'Neill to talk about race number 6. Christina?
Doug O'Neill sends out overextended in race 6 today.
But I think there's a number of ways you can go in there.
$128 tickets. It starts at 2:20 Pacific time with a $747,000 carryover. All right, need more evidence? Get down.
Okay, it looks like my Pick 6 ticket is going to be about $750. So I'm going to need to borrow $700.
All right, it all happens later today right here on TVG. Maddie's ticket on the website, www.tvg.com.